Hello, Vishal, the Go Nature, and the High team. First of all, a big thank you for conducting such a knowledgeable and such a insightful workshop on naturopathy. And this program has really, sort of helped in dispelling a lot of myths and has brought in a lot of clarity in terms of how to work on the health uh, and really how to sort of move towards a pursuit of having a disease free and a medicine free kind of a life, which is what is of course one of the goals. So I have always believed in some of the practices that uh, we have had as a culture in India, be it in terms of Ayurveda, be it in terms of naturopathy, be it in terms of sort of nature cure, yoga, etc. And I think what you're doing is a wonderful work. What you have shown is a very structured way of understanding naturopathy and health in a very natural way by taking care of certain things. So certainly it has been a very insightful and very helpful journey till now with your workshop. Thanks again.